Assalamu alaikum. We are the members of our group C in the ISE section 2. So our group project is student attendance system, and we have to make the interface of our main use case, which is managing attendance system. So for managing attendance system, the main actor is the instructor. So first the instructor has to log in with the staff number and some password. So after logging in, this is the main home interface. So there are several options like manage attendance. If you give the values in here and click proceed, the preferred attendance report will come in order with this informations applied. And there are take attendance for taking attendance at the time of class, and there is the logout, and there is a search attendance. If you want to search an attendance by a special students or a specific student's metric number, then you can search by using this. And there's a pretty much small calendar in this place. In here you can view the calendar, and this is the current date. This December 29th and 2018. So this the current date for this sample. In this case, this is the current date, let's say. And this is the main manage leaf for having some messages or MCs from the students who couldn't be able to come at the class. So if the instructor clicks on manage leave, there is one pending, which is this. There are many messages which was replied earlier, but this was not been replied, that's why it was unread. So there's a student has written that in this section and this class on this date he wasn't able to come, he was sick, and he has a medical report too, which he has uploaded on the Google Drive. So this is a strong reason, so it can be considered. That's why the instructor is gonna write, okay, I will consider. He will consider the leave and give the reply. So the message will be gone to the student system, and then for giving him leave, the instructor will go back to home, and at the manage attendance he will choose the 1501 section 3 December. So we are now about to get the attendance applied to this information. Okay, so by proceeding we just get the attendance here. So this is the December, this is November, and this is October. So, and you can also print the previous month's attendance papers. Okay, but this is the current month, December 2018, 29th, and today is 29th in this case. So this is the current attendance system for this course, CSC 1501 section 3. So there was a student 173387 who wasn't able to come at the class because of sickness. That's why there in the field, if I go, there will be a hint coming like click to edit. So if I click and if I hit the leave button, then it will be changed into leave. So the instructor has the power to change it to leave, present or absent. And by using this action, the classes missed column will change. So the classes missed is something like how many classes the student has missed so far. So this person has one class absent, so that's why he has 1, and his current attendance is 97% because he has missed one class, that's why. So if I give him leave, then it will the class missed will change to 0 because it's considered as a leave, and the percentage will be increased from 97% to 100%. So he will get back his attendance. So the current attendance just takes the attendance of the current till the current date. It just calculates the total attendance, total percentage of attendance of a student till the current date. So while the date is changing, the current attendance is also changing. So this is how it's gonna work. And there's another thing which is barring and warning. So when a student misses at least 6 classes, then there will be a notification come in red color or button which is about the student. Now if the instructor hits about the student, then a barring letter will be generated, and this letter will be gone to the head of the department for approval. So send for approval, the barring letter will be gone to the head of the department. So now it's waiting to be approved. Now this one does the same thing. Now for giving warning, if a student misses at least 3 classes, then this give warning button appears, and if the instructor clicks here, then a warning letter will be generated and he can send for approval. So now the warning letter is waiting to be approved. So on, we have this empty column. So this empty column is today's date. So this system will automatically pick up today's date from here, from the calendar, and put it on a new column which will be empty, because if the instructor takes the attendance today, then the attendance will fill up today's columns with attendance. So while the teacher or instructor is going to take the attendance, he will just go to this, mouse over to this button and take attendance. He'll click on it. So a random password will be generated, and this password will be shown to the students to access their system and give their attendance. So after giving all the attendance, the instructor will give or click the save attendance button, and after that you see the new empty column is filled up with the new attendance. So this is how it's gonna work. And there is another option where you can search, or the instructor can search a student's attendance by inputting his matric number, like 172.387, and go. And here there is information of that student regarding to that matric number. So his school year is this, his semester is this, and total courses taken in common. That means the courses in here of the students are similar with the courses taken by this teacher. This teacher or this instructor takes these 5 courses, and the courses which matches with this instructor's courses, only those courses will come here. So this teacher has also the info 1103 subject, which is the database. So if he wants to see the database system's attendance record for this student, so he will just click it, and after clicking it, his database system section 3 and instructor Dr. Fazlur Rabi, where is Dr. Fazlur Rabi is here, so he can check out his attendance of his student from the previous year. So his attendance was good, 93%, no warning, no barring, and it was good, like this. So he can access to a specific student's attendance sheet, and he can also print this sheet and print the paper for making a hard copy. So after managing with all these things, the instructor can log out and get back to the previous login page. So this was our interface. We tried to make our best. We worked so hard for this. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.